Jeff and I met in the Middle East. In particular, we met in Bahrain. I was a nursing sister and Jeff was an electrical engineer.
Well, I started off my career with the electricity board, and all my working life I've thoroughly enjoyed it.
Jeff had the stroke at night. He very quickly became unconscious and I was absolutely scared stiff, very frightened. About the same time, or soon after, my sister Linda was diagnosed with ovarian cancer, and it was like I'd been kicked in the teeth. When Jeff was eventually discharged, he couldn't wash himself, he couldn't do anything, didn't know where he was, so I became his full-time carer. I've had to learn so much because obviously Jeff did a lot of the maintenance of the house, have to make sure he knows what's happening, have to do his diary every day. So you can say to Jeff, look, we're going to have for lunch soup today. And within a minute of me saying it, he won't remember what I've said. So it's a prompt for him, but I'd be lost without carers, utterly lost. I went through all of Jeff's files and I found one in the Institute of Electrical Engineering. And I phoned up in January 2013. I had no idea of the support that IET gave, so I thought, I'll phone up and find out. IET very quickly gave me monthly support financially, which meant I was able to get another carer in to support Jeff and I. And they also paid some money towards me having a break, which was key. I decided I'd go Nordic walking and go with the group to Slovenia. And then I actually walked, and I walked, and I walked, and got to the top, and at that moment I thought, I'm free! I can remember shouting, I'm free! And I was. Now Jeff loves his garden. Unfortunately, his fruit bushes died. So we've had to have them removed. From a health and safety point of view, once the bushes went, there was a huge drop. Not safe for Jeff to go in the garden, really, without some supervision. But IET Connect are actually supporting us to address this health and safety issue in the garden, which means Jeff's going to be able to go in the garden again, which is his life.
Life's obviously changed since I had my stroke, and certainly in winter I would have probably been out there more. So no, I can't think of life without the garden, quite frankly. It's just a wonderful feeling to know that we're getting that sort of support.
If anyone is a member of the Institute of Engineering and Technology, you must phone them up, because IET Connect can be a wonderful support to you and give you guidance, help, financial support or emotional support, and you don't feel so alone because you've got somebody at the end of the phone that you can phone up.